Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to import in Notion. This is very simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. The first step is navigate to the top right corner and click on these three dots. This will expand this menu and you can click on import right here. Now this will open up this window where you can import basically anything you want to import. So let's say I want to import PDF. I will click on PDF and right now it will open up my downloads folder and I can open this PDF A4. Just double click on the PDF. Now it will upload your file to Notion and open it in your Notion. As you can see, it converted the PDF to a table because it was a table in this PDF. So thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.